In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the spark plugs on your Subaru Forester. This is going to be located on either side of the motor. Let's get started. Reaching down on the driver's side next to the battery, we're going to be doing our rear spark plug. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt for our ignition coil. Remove the bolt. Twist and pull the ignition coil out. You do not have to remove the connector. You just have to twist the coil pack till it fits in between the frame rail and the motor, and then push it back. Using a 14mm socket on a wobble extension, we're going to drop it into the spark plug hole. Get your wrench on it, break the spark plug free. Remove the spark plug. I have my spark plug installed into my socket, and we're going to get that into the spark plug tube. Get the spark plug started by hand. Torque the spark plug to 13 foot-pounds. We're going to reach back and grab our ignition coil. You're going to line the ignition coil boot up with the spark plug hole. Push it down into place. We're going to push that ignition coil in, and you should feel it kind of grab onto that spark plug. When you try and pull it off, it shouldn't really want to come off. It should be kind of locked on there. Get the bolt started for the ignition coil. Snug the bolt down. Torque it to 6 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Repeat this process for all of the spark plugs, and you'll be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.